Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Ooh, that's blue. Blue.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, that's pink. Pink.
Pink.
Very good.
Yay.
What's next? Purple. Say purple. Oh, you're not done yet? Okay, well we can start again. You want to do it again? Again. That's white. White is always bois for some
I
reason.
think it's because sheep are white.
That's black. Black.
Yeah.
Yay, good job.
Yay, Vincent.
What else we got there? Let's see. That's purple. Very good. Let's see what else you got there, Bubbers. That's brown.
Where's Squeaky? You want to come to say hello? Squeaky, can you say hello?
It's green.
Say hi.
Green.
Best kitty ever.
Good job. What's that? Pink. Where's the pink? Now you want to do something different? Are you all done? Oh. He's going to do a fake sneeze again.
Can you do your sneeze, Vincent?
Achoo! You throw the fish instead of sneeze. Achoo! Bless you, Vincent. Now let's put all the fish in so that we don't lose the pieces again, okay? Good boy, good boy, good boy. All right. You will put, let's try another puzzle. Here, you put this in here. And I'll put that one in here. Why is it? We're still missing a couple though. Oh well. Here, let's put it over here. Let's go with this one. Good. Goodbye. Now let's see. Try again. Yes. That's a dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Say hello, Squeaky. Squeakers.
Good job. Let's see, what's that? Oh, that's a bird. Can you say bird?
Squeaky.
There you go. Good job. That's a fish. That's an orange fish. Can you use your finger to push it in? It's not quite in. Kitty. Yeah, there's the kitty. Okay, use your finger. You gotta put it in. Push it in with your finger. No, this way. Use your fingers. Boop. There we go. What's that? That's a green turtle. There we go. Yay! You want to do it again? Let's get the kitty out too. There. That's a dog.
Goodbye, kitty.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. There we go. Good job. What's that? It's a bird. Bird. A purple bird. And that's a fish. Use your hand. Yeah, try again. You didn't get your bird in there. There we go. Perfect! Yay! Kitty. Kitty. Where's the kitty go? Right there. And where's the green turtle? Turtle. Almost. You push it in with your hand there. Almost. Almost. There you go. You did it. Yay! Say goodbye.
Okay, say bye-bye, Vincent.
Say bye-bye, Daddy. It's time for Vincent to go to bed. He's not gonna have it.
Good night, Vincent. Bye-bye.
Say bye. No, yes, he is. Instant